Simple Cooking Made Simple on YouTube. Today, we made some fried chicken the way the Colonel intended it to be. And not the Colonel of the Army. I'm talking about that Colonel. KFC Colonel? Yeah. So you need to watch this full video, check out the description, get all the details, and make you some real fried chicken the way it intended it to be. The way he intended it to be. Your tummies will love you. And if you haven't smashed that like button, smash it now, please. And let's play. So we've marinated our chicken breast and our chicken thighs that are bone in a nice little marinade. It's got some salt, some garlic, some onion powder, some jalapeno pickle juice, some milk, and then also some Parmesan sauce that Buffalo Wild Wings makes. So this is just a little bit of the marinade. I'll have all of the marinade and the measurements in the description below for you guys. So I'm going to empty this out. And these breasts are so big. I mean, they're huge. They're over a pound a piece. I mean, they're monsters, so you'll see this. So like I said, they're over a pound a piece. And we're going to double dip these. So we already got our flour mixture mixed up. It's got some garlic, some onion powder, some smoked paprika, a little bit of thyme, a little bit of chili powder, and there's some other spices in here, and it'll be in the description below. So make sure you guys check that out so you know what we've got. And then we have a little bit of an egg mixture with some water and some honey mustard. So we're going to fry probably about 4 minutes on both sides. And you want your oil at least 300 degrees. To make sure that all of your chicken gets a nice flour mix. So I mean, you can tell this sucker's huge. It's a big, big chicken. Oh yeah, we got some sizzle. Well, actually, once I put this other chicken breast in there, it'll probably fry both sides at the same time. So we may not have to, I'll probably still flip it, but we may be able to cut down some of our time. And then we're going to stick this on a sheet pan and let it cook on 350 degrees, internal temp of 165. Oh yeah, this is really smelling good. And you want to mash that flour down. Looks beautiful already. Beautiful. So we cooked for about 3 minutes. We're going to flip this first one. Fucking get it here. Look at that, baby. Woohoo! Sucker is huge. You can tell which one's been in there a little longer. That'll be all right. Man. You talk about some good chicken. Yummy. So it's cooked for about another 3 minutes. We're going to pull these out, put them on our sheet pan, and we're going to finish these off in the oven at 350 degrees. And like I said before, we want an internal temp of a minimum of 165. That's super important. Because you don't want to be getting sick off of eating some raw chicken. Look at these bad boys. Yum! So we just pulled our fried chicken out of the oven. Oh, I've already had a little bit. Oh, it's so yummy. So juicy. Oh, so much goodness in this, friends. Let me tell you. So make sure you check out our description. We'll have all the details in there, all the spices, all the marinade, so you can make fried chicken the way the Colonel intended. That's what I'm talking about. You know that KFC Colonel? Not the Army. KFC Colonel. Oh, yeah. So, thanks for watching this video. We hope that you try this and you enjoy it. If you want to give us any suggestions, any comments, we love getting those. I love replying back and I love hearing what you guys have to say. Thanks for all the ones who have made suggestions and comments. I really do enjoy that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And thanks to all of our subscribers. We really appreciate that. So make sure you do the 3 S's. Do the 3 S's, please. Smash that like button, share with your family and friends, subscribe, and set your notifications so you get an alert when we post our new videos. Thanks so much. God bless.